Let's take it a bit further. Let's 1, 2, skip a few till we reach the big F word.
You're no longer having to kind of spoon feed the viewer, the user, or the audience with a set frame where everything that happens has to happen within that frame.
I think content creators are an incredible species because usually very adaptable.
Especially as we move into more of a world of convergence and participatory culture, we start to see the consumer starting to become creators as well.
With virtual reality and mixed reality, augmented reality, we're kind of dealing with the idea that you've got to build worlds.
And I think we'll start to see the lines of reality and the digital world start to blur a little bit more when we do tell stories.
There is also this pushback to really analog ways.
Older media will continue, just the way we still have paintings, we still have plays, we still have all sorts, but it just may become more specialized.
So if that's still happening, alongside all the bells and whistles of VR and 360 and interactivity and participatory practices, etc., then there's something interesting happening, and I think content creators have every opportunity to maximise on both.
It's all about an idea that interests you, characters that pull you in, and yeah, like a dream that you want to have.
So in terms of storytelling, the future is shaping up to be a smorgasbord of options, from parables to parchment, paperbacks to pixels. If you want to keep tabs on the future of storytelling, well, you've come to the right place. Does anyone know how to turn this thing off?